In exactly 24 months, I went from owing $30,000 to owing absolutely nothing, and I'm going to show you the exact formula that made it possible. The average American carries $38,000 in debt. That's not just a number, that's sleepless nights, canceled vacations, and the constant feeling of drowning. There are two proven methods: the avalanche, highest interest first, and the snowball, smallest balance first. But I combine them into what I call the power hybrid. According to the Federal Reserve, Americans pay $1,400 in interest annually. The Journal of Financial Planning found that people who write down their debt pay it off 42% faster. Princeton neuroscientists proved that debt stress literally lowers your IQ by 13 points. Let me show you my actual numbers. I had 3 debts: $15,000 credit card at 22%, $10,000 car loan at 7%, and $5,000 personal loan at 12%. Total $30,000. Here's what nobody tells you: you can negotiate your interest rates. I called my credit card company and reduced my rate from 22% to 14%. That one phone call saved me $2,400 in interest. Think of debt like a leaky bucket. Every dollar of interest is a hole. The power hybrid approach is simple. Plug the biggest holes first while adding the most water to the smallest buckets. Mistake number 1: paying minimum payments. At minimums, that $30,000 takes 20 years and costs $45,000 in interest alone. Mistake number 2: using credit cards while paying off debt. It's like trying to empty a bathtub with the faucet still running. Free money hack. I used cashback apps and put every dollar toward debt. Rakuten, Ibotta, credit card cashback. I made an extra $1,800 per year just from buying what I was already buying. Remember I said 24 months? Here's the twist: month 18, I got a promotion. Not because of luck, but because I had the confidence of someone with no financial stress. Debt-free employers noticed. Let's recap. Number your debts, call and negotiate rates, pay minimums on everything except the smallest debt, throw every extra dollar at it, and use cashback hacks. Next video, I'll reveal the investing strategy that turned my debt payments into a $50,000 portfolio. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And drop a comment. What's your biggest debt?